What is Llama 3 and why does it matter? Llama 3 is Meta's latest family of open-source large language models, LLM. It's basically the Facebook parent company's response to OpenAI's GPT and Google's Gemini, but with one key difference. It's freely available for almost anyone to use for research and commercial purposes. That's a pretty big deal. And over the past year, Llama 2, the previous model family, has become a staple of open source AI developments. Llama 3 continues that promise. Let me explain. Llama 3 is a family of LLMs like GPT-4 and Google Gemini. It's the successor to Llama 2, Meta's previous generation of AI models. While there are some technical differences between Llama and other LLMs, you would really need to be deep into AI for them to mean much. All these LLMs were developed and work in essentially the exact same way. They all use the same transformer architecture and development ideas like pre-training and fine-tuning. When you enter a text prompt or provide Llama 3 with text input in some other way, it attempts to predict the most plausible follow-on text using its neural network, a cascading algorithm with billions of variables called parameters that's modeled after the human brain. By assigning different weights to all the different parameters and throwing in a small bit of randomness, Llama 3 can generate incredibly human-like responses. The newest Llama technology comes in 3 different versions, with one variant being the biggest and most capable AI model from Meta to date. Like previous versions of Llama, the newest model continues to be open source, which means it can be accessed for free. The new large language model, or LLM, underscores the social network's massive investment in keeping up in AI spending with the likes of high-flying startups OpenAI and Anthropic and other tech giants like Google and Amazon. The announcement also highlights the growing partnership between Meta and NVIDIA. NVIDIA is a key Meta partner, providing the Facebook parent with computing chips called GPUs to help train its AI models, including the latest version of Llama. While companies like OpenAI aim to make money selling access to their proprietary LLMs or offering services to help clients use the technology, Meta has no plans to debut its own competing enterprise business, a Meta spokesperson said during a media briefing. Although Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg has told analysts during previous corporate earnings calls that the company generates some revenue from its corporate llama partnerships, a Meta spokesperson said that any financial benefit is merely incremental. Instead, Meta believes that by investing in Llama and related AI technologies and making them available for free via open source, it can attract high-quality talent in a competitive market and lower its overall computing infrastructure costs. Among other benefits, Meta's launch of Llama 3, one occurs in advance of a conference on advanced computer graphics in which Zuckerberg and NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang are scheduled to speak together. Meta, on the other hand, needs a reliable supply of the latest GPUs to train increasingly powerful models. Like NVIDIA, Meta is trying to foster an ecosystem of developers who are building AI apps with the company's open source software at the center. Even if Meta has to essentially give away code and so-called AI weights that are expensive to build, the open source approach benefits developers to its internal tools and by inviting them to build on top of it. Ash Javeri, the company's VP of AI partnerships, told CNBC it also helps Meta because it uses its AI models internally, thus enabling the company to reap improvements made by the open source community, he said. Zuckerberg wrote in a blog post on Tuesday that it was taking a different approach to the Llama release this week, adding, We're actively building partnerships so that more companies in the ecosystem can offer unique functionality to their customers as well. Introducing the largest version of the Llama 3. One family of models, the Llama 3.1405B. This cutting-edge LLM contains a staggering 405 billion parameters, allowing it to process vast amounts of data and perform complex tasks. With this massive capacity, the Llama 3.1405B can understand context in long streams of text, solve intricate math equations, and even generate synthetic data to enhance smaller AI models. But that's not all. Meta is also rolling out upgraded versions of the Llama 3.1, including the Llama 3.18B and Llama 3.170B models. These smaller but enhanced models are perfect for powering chatbots and software coding assistants, providing advanced capabilities for a wide range of tasks. For those eager to experience the capabilities of the Llama 3.1, Meta is offering the chance for US-based WhatsApp users and visitors of its Meta AI website to interact with the company's digital assistant. Running on the latest version of Llama, this digital assistant can tackle complex math problems and solve software coding issues with ease. Furthermore, users will have the option to toggle between the powerful Llama 3.1405B and a smaller, faster version for their queries. This flexibility ensures that users can choose the level of capability that best suits their needs. Join us in embracing the potential of the Llama 3.1 family, a game changer in the world of AI technology. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more information for tech, please visit my channel and don't forget to sharing this video.